Today, I'll show you how to use the paintbrush transition, which makes your video look like it's being painted onto the screen with artistic brush strokes. First, import two clips into your project and place them side by side on the timeline. Between the two clips, you'll see a small plus icon. Tap on it to open the transition options. Now, head over to the matte section and scroll through until you find the paintbrush transitions. There are several styles to choose from, each with unique brush stroke movements. Tap on the one that matches your editing style. At the bottom, use the duration slider to fine-tune the speed of the transition. A shorter duration makes the brush reveal happen quickly, while a longer one creates a smooth, flowing effect. And that's it. You've added a paintbrush transition in VN Video Editor, giving your edits a creative and artistic touch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick VN editing tips.